Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a device that promises to give your face a non-invasive lift with the power of microcurrent technology. This is the FOREO Firm Fabulous BEAR Mini Plus Serum Anti-Aging Starter Kit, and it's packed with features to help you firm, contour, and smooth out your skin. We'll be breaking down how this device works, whether it's worth your time and money, and how it holds up in real-world testing. The BEAR Mini is a compact version of FOREO's popular microcurrent facial device, designed to tone over 65 muscles in your face and neck. This FDA-cleared device claims to offer an instant facelift, reduce puffiness, and tackle that pesky double chin. It promises a quick, 3-minute treatment, using T-sonic pulsations to enhance your skincare routine while providing long-lasting anti-aging benefits. The kit comes with Serum, a powerful hyaluronic acid-based serum enriched with sodium hyaluronate and squalane to leave your skin looking softer, smoother, and youthful. The serum's deeply hydrating formula is supposed to complement the microcurrent treatment by allowing your skin to absorb more of the active ingredients. So let's get into the real-world experience and see how this all comes together. I've been using this device for a few weeks now, and I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first about how much a facial device could really do from home. But after a few sessions, I can already tell you, the BEAR Mini is impressive. The first thing I noticed was how easy it was to incorporate into my routine. I simply apply the serum, power up the device, and glide it along my face and neck. The microcurrent feels really gentle, and the T-sonic pulsations provide a nice relaxing massage. It's not painful at all, which is something I was worried about with these types of devices. In fact, the anti-shock system, which adjusts the current depending on your skin's resistance, gave me peace of mind that the device was working safely. In terms of results, I noticed a visible difference after the first few uses. My skin felt tighter, and my jawline looked more defined. The treatment is quick, just 3 minutes, so it's easy to fit in, even on busy mornings. I've also seen some improvements with puffiness around my cheeks and under eye area, which is a huge win for me. However, there are a couple of things I'd consider. While the device itself is lightweight and sleek, the Serum might not be ideal for all skin types. It's quite thick, and I have noticed that it can feel a bit greasy if you don't let it absorb fully before starting your treatment. But that's a minor issue for me, since the results were worth it. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, this device is easy to use, very effective at reducing puffiness and lifting sagging skin, and the serum gives your face that plump, hydrated feeling. It's a good investment for anyone looking to firm up their skin and smooth out fine lines. On the downside, the price tag might be a bit high if you're looking for a budget option. Also, if you're someone with extremely sensitive skin, you may want to proceed with caution, just to make sure the serum doesn't cause any irritation. In terms of value for money, I think it's fair to say that the BEAR Mini offers a lot for the price, especially when you consider how often you can use it and the potential long-term results. The serum, though, I'd say might be a bit of a splurge for what it is. If you have a go-to hyaluronic acid serum you already love, it's not absolutely necessary to use this one. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives out there, like the NuFace Mini, which also offers microcurrent technology for a similar effect, but without the serum included. Of course, the NuFace might not have the same built-in safety features, like the anti-shock system, so it depends on what you prioritize in a device. Now, let's talk build quality. The device is well built and feels sturdy in hand. The packaging is sleek and well designed, making it feel like a premium product. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and it still works just as well as when I first opened it, so durability is definitely on point. I also want to quickly mention customer support. While I didn't need to reach out to FOREO myself, the brand has a solid reputation for responsive customer service, so if you run into any issues, they should be able to help quickly. In summary, the FOREO Firm Fabulous BEAR Mini is a solid investment for anyone looking to firm, tone, and lift their face at home. It's perfect for reducing puffiness, smoothing fine lines, and achieving an instant facelift effect. The Serum definitely complements the device, though it might not be for everyone. and the price could be a bit high for some. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You can find the link to purchase the FOREO Firm Fabulous BEAR Mini in the description box or comments below. If you've tried this product, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.